Hey, this goes out to everyone. My name is Michael Mulkerrins, and how would you feel if a judge was racist towards you in court? I have literally, it was started on the 2nd of September 2022, where a judge literally made this comment. I can't wait until this is all over, till we're allowed back in the chambers where white people won't be allowed. Now, I thought I was hearing something. I thought I heard something because I was on antidepressants. Did I thingy? All I had was the transcripts to prove this. And after 2.5 years of trying to get these transcripts, they destroyed them. And after appeal, after judicial conduct investigations office, they took 4 months to tell me they're not looking into it. After they tried to get the transcript, and I've been to Supreme Courts, and literally they told me they're very, very sorry, but the justice staff of the Supreme Court are unable to assist me. You cannot appeal from East London Family Court directly to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court is a final court of appeal in the UK for civil cases, and for criminal cases in England and Wales, Northern Ireland. The Supreme Court can hear cases of the greatest public and constitutional importance affecting the whole population. Well, a judge being racist is of constitutional importance, especially when I've been to several judges, told them about what this judge has said, and none of them has investigated this judge, Deputy District Judge. And it's absolutely atrocious, because after 2.5 years, on the 31st of January 2025, got an email stating the destruction of the transcripts after appealing for them for truth and transparency, and they got destroyed. And I've been now to this thingy, and also contempt of court. The judge issued an order on the 3rd of September 2022, and while we was on holiday abroad, having private communications with the opposing counsel, because I'm a litigant in person, which, to people don't know, is an unrepresented person. And he had private communications with the opposing counsel while he's abroad, and issued another order 5 days after, on the 8th of September 2022. So that's contempt of court. And I've literally gone to every appeals. I've gone to the Supreme, I've gone to civil appeals, I've gone to everything. I've done everything I can. I've even, like I said, I've gone to now the European Courts of Human Rights, and they've sat there and said that it's inadmissible. And I've literally made every attempt to sit there and go through every court, every applications, everything, and nothing has happened. No thingy, no judge has investigated this, which only a judge can investigate another judge. Because I've been to the police about this, and they've told me, no, you can't do nothing. So I've literally got 10 criminal case points that they've literally formal criminal allegations, 10 of them, that literally perverting the course of justice, common law, life imprisonment, the destruction or concealment of the original 2nd of September hearing transcripts, and the deliberate failure to respond to my request for truth and transparency. Bribery, improper influence, the Bribery Act 2010, S1, S2, 10 years imprisonment or unlimited fine. Private communications between district judge Deputy District Judge and the opposing counsel while the judge was abroad, suggesting undue influence over the order later issued, misconduct in public office, common law, life imprisonment. Deputy District Judge knowingly issued an order that did not reflect the hearing and failed to correct the record despite legal duty. The misconduct continued as other officials ignored the clear violations. Fraud by abuse of position, Fraud Act 2006, Section 4, 10 years imprisonment. Officers of the court and solicitors used their trusted position to mislead I, as a litigant in person, including altering or ignoring court documents. Perjury Act 1911, S1, 7 years imprisonment. False statements made by legal representatives in correspondence and during proceedings, including misrepresentation to the courts about the nature of the 2nd of September 2022 order. Concealment of evidence, Criminal Justice Act 1988, Section 39, Serious Organised Crime and Police Act 2005, up to 5 years imprisonment. Failure to preserve and provide the team's hearing transcripts of the 2nd of September 2022 after I requested the following: a £50,000 offer made in good faith to retrieve these transcripts. Cohesive or controlling behaviour, Serious Crimes Act 2005, Section 76, 2015, Section 76, up to 5 years imprisonment. Psychological abuse inflicted upon I by the judiciary and solicitors trying to force acceptance of a corrupted order while disregarding my rights and well-being. Obstruction of justice, common law, Courts Act 2003, up to life imprisonment if tied to perverting the cause of justice. HMCTS systematically delayed or denied my N2244, M161, N463 applications, obstructed appeals, and misled I procedurally as a litigant in person. Attempted blackmail, Theft Act 1968, Section 21, 14 years imprisonment. Threats made that legal costs and enforcements would be pursued unless I complied with the corrupted order. Discrimination against a litigant in person, Equality Act 2010, HRA 1998, civil damages. I was persistently gaslighted, denied fair process and equal footings in court and procedures due to my status as an unrepresented party. Now that's 10 criminal allegations made, and literally none of them has been looked into. None of them have literally dealt with this, and I need help to sit there and I need to put this out. I need to literally get everyone involved, and hopefully this will, get some light onto this matter, because a judge and every other judge has literally failed to do their duty. And I'm literally now sick. I nearly took my own life last year because of this. And the amount of, even in my judicial review, it states, I stated that in my court order that I accused him of a racial comment and they done nothing. And that's the King's Bench. And literally, I've gone to the human rights now thingy, my application forms here. And literally, I ended up getting this. Courts find that domestic decision is considered final within the meaning of Article 35 and number 1 of the Convention was taken more than 4 months before the date of which complaints were submitted to the court. Accordingly, the complaints have been submitted too late. My last order was on the 22nd of December 2025. My application form here was on the 21st of April 2026. That was on the date, that was way before the date of the 22nd of April 2026. So I was in my final court order, and they've literally just threw it out as submitted too late. Well, no, I was well within my rights to, and this is just no. This can't keep happening. I'm unkept. I'm literally now, I'm going to lose my home, my two dependents' home, my dog Queenie and my tortoise Flo. I need help. And I would love that this can get it out and shine light onto how corrupted this system is. Because after 4 years, nearly 4 years now, I'm literally, it's doing my brain in. It's literally now, enough is enough. So I'm hoping that everyone can literally like and share this around to everyone and shine light on how corrupt this system is. Because no judge should be racist in court, or literally while on holiday having private communications and phone calls with the opposing counsel to later issue a different order. 2 orders on the same date. I go, it's ridiculous. And the appeal judges have all ignored my claim, my rights. And if a judge is presented with an allegation of racism, they should investigate. And they've done nothing. So I pray that literally this can get out to everyone, litigating persons, white people, black people, Asians, everyone, because this is just ridiculous. Like how they can get away with this. No, thank you very much. God bless.